If you often get nucleic acid tests, you've likely been swabbed multiple times in different positions. But do you know where exactly the medical staff are swabbing? Is it the base of your tongue? Or that cute little uvula? Or do they just swipe the whole throat? Or is it somewhere else? First off, that noticeable little ball of flesh isn't the throat or tonsils, it's called the uvula or the little tongue, but it's not the target for nucleic acid sampling. The recessed areas behind the uvula on both sides are called the tonsillar fossae, where the tonsils are located. When inflamed, they swell noticeably, but normally they aren't very prominent. The doctor will gently rub both tonsils with a swab. They will apply a bit of pressure, swabbing back and forth at least 3 times, then push the swab all the way to the back, reaching the deepest part of the mouth. This spot is known as the pharyngeal wall. Once you've swabbed it 3 times, you can take the swab out. Place the swab tip into the viral transport medium. Of course, many lucky individuals have experienced a nasopharyngeal swab. It feels like a cotton swab poking right into the depths of your soul. It feels like it's hitting your brain. A nasal swab goes in through the nostril, carefully moving along the curved floor of the nasal passage. So, don't push too hard, or it could cause bleeding. When the swab stops, it's at the back of the nasopharyngeal cavity. You'll be surprised at how deep it goes. Maybe it's going to take a lot longer than you think, and then gently spin it around and slowly remove the swab. Place the swab tip into the tube with the virus preservation solution. For individuals unable to have oral or nasal samples taken, an anal swab is an option. Carefully insert a clean cotton swab 3 to 5 centimeters into the anus. After insertion, rotate it gently once, then slowly pull it out and place it in a virus preservation tube. Throw away the suspension tube's tail cap. Compared to throat swabs, nasal swabs have a higher removal rate because throat swabs can easily cause gagging. The swab doesn't reach the tonsils, making its detection rate lower than nasal swabs. However, since throat swabs are quick and easy, they're often used for large-scale screenings. So, as a person being sampled, which of the following actions is correct? A. Asking for an extra large swab to boost detection. B. Asking for repeated anal swabs to improve detection. C. Expertly evading the nasal swab to dodge a soul-leaving ordeal. D. Obeying the medical staff and giving a thumbs up.